Hey, how's everybody doing today? My name is Douglas. I'm here on Lead Chess, ready to do some puzzles, see how these can help out your game and improve your chess score and your chess puzzles, your strategies, what you're thinking about. So right away I noticed that we're about even on pieces, um, so it looks like it could even be like a possible checkmate scenario. So the first couple of things I'm looking at are the queen and the knight here. Maybe a smothered mate is possible. I've said it maybe this is the first video, but those are my favorite kind of mates. Is the smothered mate and sacrificing your queen. Those are just one of my favorites. If you want to let me know what one of your favorites are in the comments, that'd be awesome. Um, but yeah, I like the smothered mate with the queen, and whenever you sacrifice a piece to kind of, I guess, bait somebody. All right, so not much else going on here, but these three major pieces, the knight, the bishop, and the queen. Um, if I put check here, I'm just losing my knight. Okay, I think I see maybe a possible mate. If you want to pause the video here. All right, so I think it is with the knight. Okay, so it could have been mate, but he has to move his rook up, and I don't want to take with my queen because of his knight. And that's it, yeah. All right, so he would probably take with his knight there. Let's try another one. All right, again, a lot going on. This is kind of the opening of the game. He's just moved his piece, his knight, and my queen is getting hit here from his bishop. And he's targeting this knight. That would just be an exchange. So somewhere here there's a blunder or mistake being made. And if I go here, his knight could just go back, and he's got his queen protecting him. If I go up here, something to do with that, because if he goes with his pawn up to protect his bishop, or his bishop can just go back, his bishop. Or just going up, no, because I have to focus on, I'm going to be losing my queen, so I have to move my queen or something in front of my queen. Or not a lot of spots for my queen to go. My knight. What else? Yeah, it's got to be something with this queen. I'm really feeling this move right here, but I'm trying to find the best move. Maybe, yeah, maybe just taking the pawn, and then you win the knight. That could be it. So, I'm not seeing anything else. If you want to pause the video, I think that's what I'm going to go with. Yep. And then a check. So I think I just need to take with my knight. And then, let's say he moves his rook. And then this is a cool feature too. You can go into it. It shows you what it was. So then, this was the move. Then the computer did this move. And then I did this move. And then let's say that was his move. And then I'm picking up the knight there, and then you can see on the right there too, it's pretty cool. You can kind of go in depth of where it all started from. Again, these guys are almost 2,000, 4 minutes each with 2 seconds added each time. And so this would just be, as you can see, right, I think that was the move right there. And it's, yeah, was it that move? It's saying that it was just a mistake. A question mark and an exclamation mark means that it's just a mistake. Or no, an accuracy maybe? Alright, let's do one more. Last one today. And let's see what the blunder is here. Right away, I'm noticing no fork. I mean, almost a fork. Taken here. That's a possible fork. So we've got the rook here, and just getting the queen to move sometimes by threatening it, or even putting the king in check. And as you do these, you do 2 or 3, you get a little bit more confidence and become a little bit easier. But sometimes they're still tricky. That's not doing anything, so that'll just be a waste. Yeah, I'm really leaning towards this knight. I need to move this knight somewhere. Tricky knights. That's what I like to follow. Chess Network also. His name is Jerry. He's always saying how the knights are so tricky. Tricky knights. Just gotta watch out where they're going, what they're doing. Over here? No. Nope. Okay. If you want to pause the video here, I think I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, and then what's next? A check? Oh, well, a check, he's just gonna, oh yeah, okay. So see the rook, it's kind of backing that up there. So if I check it, oh, come on. Oh, because of his knight. His knight would just take. So, oh, look at this one's cool. And then you check and you win your queen, win his queen back. Oh, man. Some of these are tricky. That's why that was like how many moves? Like 4 moves right there? So 1, 2, 3 moves. 3 moves for the 3 and then 4. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like these videos. Some of them are easier than others. And those of you who want to comment, any questions or comments, that'd be great. And have a good night.